Welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be putting this Titan together. It's 1500 watt thickness planer, but I'm not going to go too much into detail with it because you'll see at the end. Out of everything about this, the packaging was probably the best. It was well packaged, I must say. Let's start building it up and get the feet on. This machine was a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. It's pretty easy to put together. The one thing I did hate about this was the fence. It's got two grooves in the top and bottom of it. I'm not quite sure why. I would much prefer just a straight flat surface. So far though, for the price, everything was seeming to be quite alright.
How you get my dog? Okay.
without putting the extractor on, it will not let you use the thickness planer. There's a little latch on the inside of the planer, and the plastic bit sits inside it, and it makes it go down. If the latch isn't all the way down, then the planer will not turn on. Now that latch is used for the exact same thing on the other side, so if you don't get it in right on this bottom bit, it won't work either. So that's pretty much it all together. Pretty easy, pretty quick. Cost me just under £190, which I didn't think was too bad. But then I started to do some research into the Titan planer itself. Just the last screw now for the jointer part of the planer, so you can lower it and higher it. I was going to do a reveal of the whole thing, but then I had a quick go of it, and then, yeah, this happened. Not sure how well you can see it in the video, but every time you put it through the thickness planer, it takes off more at the end on both sides, and then it leaves it nice and flush in the middle. But you end up with two bits at the end about a mil thinner. As I bought this to make my life easier and not harder, well, I just took it straight back, to be brutally honest with you. And after finding out about them, there's a plate inside of the actual planer that sometimes gets put in dodgy, and you actually pot luck as to whether you get a good one or not. So you can get good Titans, you can also get bad ones, and if you get a bad one, then, well, you're just screwed. You just take it back, but you can replace it, get a new one, and hope for the best, but I was alright for that. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and do all that stuff for me. Helps the algorithm. See you all in the next one. Goodbye.